Hi guys, Dorota Palicka, international nail artist and educator here, and today I'm in my favorite place again because that's where we've got this amazing cherry tree, and you have seen it guys. I need to show you it again how it was looking when we taken it away from Olivia's bedroom. And this is how it looks now. So I got also my order from SHEIN, and I'm gonna show you how I have done it, the tree, because it is a fantastic way to decorate the things. So I've got my branches in there, and let me just open them. So they come in a box of 5, and they are really nice, realistic looking ones. Obviously you have to just like tidy them up, just like this. And then we can place them where our tree is. So I want my tree to, I'm searching just for an empty spaces, and I really don't like this part still. So basically what you do is you just take that branch and you nicely incorporate that into your tree. You could use the tape as well. I've got a tiny bit of the tape. For the previous one I have used actually electric isolation tape because it was in brown color, but I can use the silver one as well as a really sturdy tape. And just attach it the branch to the real, so this is the actual real tree, and then start bending it in a nice way, cover the tape, and this is basically how you play with your, this one to go up, how you lay with your tree, and I already like it much better. Then I still got lots of more branches to go up, and it's almost like designing the nails. You're just kind of filling up those empty spaces. I definitely need something in there, so again a small piece of the tape. Olivia actually said she wants exactly the same one in her bedroom. So I'm just finding another place to attach this tape. And you kind of keep building your tree. We could do it a trick and add it more to go on the top. But then what I would do is I would use 2 branches. So I want one which is lower. Let me tape them together. You can also trim them as well, like with the good scissors. I have just about scissors in here, but maybe I will try it. They're too tiny. Yes, we could use the bigger one. I'm actually gonna grab them. I've got one off, I'm stubborn. Just one more to go. There we are. Then grab another piece of the tape And now I can make this one to go higher up. This tape is actually awesome because it's so strong. Again, I need to cover the place where we have used the tape, unless you've got the brown one. And just twist the branches a nice way. And then I've got last one. And the last one, let me check it. So I need to go back to be able to see it where I want to place the last one. And I find the spot in here. And ta-da! That's my cherry tree looking much nicer as well. I got also some wisteria flowers because I have seen it, they look amazing. So I'm actually crazy when it comes to flowers. And SHEIN is awesome for getting like a really good prices stuff. I actually like their tops as well, especially the lacy ones. You can see me often wearing it. You would probably need to get a few boxes to create a nice wall. Well, let me show you those flowers as well. Olivia actually loved them too, so maybe I will give it to her bedroom. They are pretty. They're so pretty. Or we could hang them in outdoor as well. I actually need to see it one. All this unboxing is actually awesome. It's almost like a Christmas before Christmas. Yeah, so they're actually really pretty, but I cannot place them here because it will be just far too much. So I would need to find a good spot for them. Or maybe we could use it even just like this instead of the orchid. No, because I've got another orchid, and that's what I'm actually going to show you as well. We took a stuff away from our living room because we was very tight, like, you know, spending all the money on the renovations and everything. But I got those potted orchid, yes, and it's pink and white. So pretty. And it's a real feel, so you cannot tell, same like this one, you cannot tell actually this is a fake flower. So let me just tidy it up and make it look prettier. Oh, there we are. And the leaves are, oh my goodness, Patrick, you have to touch them. They feel like real leaves. They really do feel like a real leaves. Absolutely amazing. I mean, obviously you have to make it a nice shape. So yeah, I can take away my my orchid and put it back in place where it belongs, to my fireplace. And then we will keep this one here, which is also better because we keep the photography poses book in here because there is a photography studio. And guys, let me know if you're interested because we do different kind of setups of the backgrounds. Actually, I'm gonna record some introducing to the videos of my nails because I have done an amazing Halloween nails, first time ever. So I never have a Halloween nails, and this time I have spoiled myself with 2 different sets. And we've got the background ready for the beginning of the videos. If you're interested, I could show you how we set up the backgrounds as well, like, and how we decorate the things, because I love those decoration part. And also our family members actually love these decoration parts as well, and they got really involved. Patrick is building a newborn baby bed as well. So we kind of keep getting really creative with the things. We did got a new tripod as well from SHEIN, and it will be very handy because we needed it for the recording. Like the one we had it is really annoying me because it tends to twist. Patrick is always laughing, but like we record and it's just hitting my head. So I am really chuffed. We managed to get another one. And I'm just gonna show you quickly that as well without of breaking my nails. Because they are just brand new and I love them. Oh, okay, cool. So this is where you attach the phone. Are you happy with that? You don't know yet. You don't know yet. Oh gosh. I've got so much like stuff, but let me know, guys, if you like those unboxing kind of videos as well of the stuff we get. I think that's as handy, and it's rose gold and detail as well. I will probably have no clue how to use it because it's Patrick. Oh, so that goes down, yeah? I'm getting there. So a tripod is a really awesome way because he can really navigate the camera well when we do record the videos, guys, for you. Oh, really nice, yeah? You happy with that? And then you open the legs so it can go quite high. Probably one more. Oh, yes. That's a nice height. I think it's taller than the one you've got it now. Okay, I think that's it. I'm not gonna do anything else with it before I break it, because this equipment belongs to the Patrick. So yeah, but he has his tripod, which is great. So we'll be able to record a great quality pictures. And then another stuff I've gotten here. See, before I break it, another stuff I've gotten here is. Oh, where my scissors are, I lost them. It's this beautiful clock. So I wanted the things to go with the salon. And because we've got like, the building is called Diamond House, I thought we will go with a nice and beautiful diamond clock. Oh, that's a spare ones. See, this is awesome because in my previous ones I didn't have any spare ones and they did eventually bend it. So let me open that up. We have to hang that somewhere because we have no clock. And obviously when you're doing the nails, guys, you really need to know the time so you are not running late for your next client. So a really pretty one. Oh yeah, I like it so much. And it has a handy hanger as well. Oh, this is comfy. Okay. So basically what you do is, can we hang it up? Yay! Okay. Okay, let's hang it up. So this is pretty. And what time is it? It's early in the morning. We just kind of rushed to the salon to record this video for you, to get it ready. Don't break the nails. So open that up. Okay, I've got some batteries. We can go there and I will hang it up. I've got all the handy stuff in here. So let's place the battery in there. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. We have wake up so early. Like, you have to do it for me. Lucky got really scared tonight because of the wind. Perfect, thanks. Thanks, cameraman. So Lucky got really scared because of the winds today, and he woke up at, was it 4 or 5 in the morning? This is how early we got up, and now it's just 5 to 11. So 5 to 11. Not that way. 5 to 11. Don't laugh. I'm just, okay, should I go just that way? No, because I will break it. Those things takes time.
Yeah, if Dorota managed, does everyone manage?
Stop it. No, I got a fresh brand new nails. I need to find my way. I had really short nails for a long time. 5 to 11. See? Ta-da. Guys, yeah, we are so tired, like, and, but let's put that back together. I don't want to break my nails. I love them too much. See? Okay, now grab the hammer. And I want my clock, so let's move it about. Because Patrick always says to me, use the measuring tape. And I'm like, no, I'm fine, it's fine. I've got a good eye. Okay, this is a technique again. And this is a cement wall. See, I manage. And I can put my clock in there. This is handy. Actually, the way you attach it, is it straight? There we are. Easy, even with the long nails. Okay, and I've got two more things to show you. Gosh, this is a really big unboxing parcel. I will also give you the links in the... I love that clock. It looks so nice. I really love it. So I'm start getting ready for the Christmas, and of course we are gonna have white and pink Christmas tree. But again, if you want, guys, I will do a video of decorating the Christmas tree because I think it's worth. And finally, I got my flower wall because I really, really badly wanted a flower wall. So I lost my scissors, so let's use my nails. And I need to show you that. So that's a 2 pieces. Of my flower wall. Oh. Yes, the flowers came out. I mean, you need to straighten it because it was just packed, but you can easily put it back in, the flower heads, so that's as pretty. I've got so much nice stuff, like, I mean, we definitely need to do the flower wall for the backdrop, like when we'll be doing the recording of the nails, like, I definitely love that. Or we might do it as a setup for clients for taking the selfies, because what I love about this place, the way we put the chairs and the tree, clients actually sit in here and they take a selfies of themselves, which is absolutely awesome. But anyway, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this like spontaneous, random kind of video with all the decorations. And if you want to see it more, just let me know in the comments below. I'm sending you huge glittery hugs and bye for now.